from, but they sure do come. Hope they're coming for me. And I don't know how they do it, but they sure do it good. Hope they're doing it for free. They give me cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. Well, the first time that I got it, I was just 8 years old. Got it from some kitty next door. I went to see the doctor and he gave me the cure. Think I got it some more. They give me cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. I got it bad scratch fever. The cat scratch fever. And now they're dangerous. I feel no pain. I got the change. You know you got it when you're gone insane. It makes a grown man cry. Won't you bite my leg? Your pussy purr with the stroke of my hand. They know they're getting it from me. Then they know just where to go when they need the loving bad. They know I'm doing it for free. I give them cat scratch fever. The cat scratch fever. They got it bad scratch fever. The cat scratch fever. Hey. Do share and subscribe to me, the Dennis Ramsay YouTube TV. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, got it? One of the greatest rock and roll guitar players of all time is Uncle Ted Nugent, beyond a shadow of a doubt. Love that song, Cat Scratch Fever. That's for you, Uncle Ted Nugent. From Dennis Ramsay, Kempful, Canada, world famous Canadian folk artist and rock and roll singer, me, Dennis Ramsay. I grew up listening to Ted Nugent and the Wango Tango. Love Ted Nugent. Sub up the Ted Nugent YouTube channel and sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. There's more of that goodness from the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. I do rock and roll songs and paintings too. Take care, bye for now. Peace out of here. Bye. Bye.